This should be a very quick video. This is my hairstyle for New Year's Eve morning. Getting ready to go to church. Doing a flat twist out this morning. I'm going to try to do it in real time. I've been using the Kyra Shea buttercream on my hair for the last couple of days. That's been able to keep my hair stretched. I meant to put some mousse on it last night for hold, and I forgot to do that, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm pretty sure if I'd put the mousse on, it would have had a tighter curl. Well, it's too late for that now. But it's looking good. Nice and fluffy.